Hello dear friends, your beloved friend Virendra Dr is available with noble thoughts, positive ideas which can stimulate our intellect and brain and fill our mind with noble thoughts, and which we practice those thoughts in our life. Our words will be like that, so will be our deed and so will be our action and so will be our destiny. If you remember, one of the greatest person who is no more with us, Steve Jobs, who used to get up early in the morning and stand before a mirror and ask himself, I quote, Steve, if you die today, what kind of job you will do? Dear friends, that should be attitude. We should think always that every moment is very precious and we should press hard and do only wonderful things, using our brain to the full capacity, creative, innovative, invention and discoveries, philosophy and ideas which can really generate some kind of happiness, prosperity for self, and then it will spread like ripples all over the world. When Steve used to go to bed in the night, he used to ask himself, what is your achievement today? It was really some wonderful, some worthful, your living was meaningful, purposeful. Dear friends, everything is possible once we really think positive, creative, remain enlightened. Man is mortal. Nobody is going to live for infinite time. So whatever time we are living, that is our life. Remember Napoleon, he hardly spared a second for anyone else. Every time in action, thinking, creativity. So kindly permit me to share with you the views, the ideas, the points which have been communicated to the entire world by the most successful people on this globe. And here I will share with you. One of the greatest poets, William Shakespeare, in his great contribution, All is Well that ends well, wrote, oft expectations fails, and most oft there where most it promises, and oft it hits where hope is oldest, and despair most fits. Robert Frost has another idea. A person will sometimes devote all his life to the development of one part of his body, the wishbone. Another great man. True contentment depends not upon what we have. A tub was large enough for Diogenes, but a world was too little for Alexander the Great. People are not disturbed by things, but by the view they take of them. We can destroy ourselves by cynicism and disillusion just as effectively as by bombs. Reach for the stars. Even you have to stand on cactus. If we shall take the good we find, asking no questions, we shall have heaping measures. The test of a first-rate intelligence is the ability to hold two possible ideas in the mind at the same time and still retain the ability to function. One should, for example, be able to see that things are hopeless and yet determined to make them otherwise. We not only bow to the inevitable, we should be forfeited by it. Man, never carried away, should be. Since the house is set on fire, let us warm ourselves. Surrounded by people who love life, you love it too. Surrounded by people who don't, you don't. The kingdom of heaven is not a place, but a state of mind. We all live under the same sky, but we don't all have the same horizon. Too many people miss the silver lining because they are expecting gold. If the sky is far, one may hope to catch larks. A happy person is not a person in certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitudes. There are two types of people. Those who come into a room and say, well, here I am, and those who come in and say, ah, there you are. I have never met a person who is so ignorant that I could not learn anything from him. Some people are always grumbling because roses have thorns. And dear friends, we should be thankful that thorns have roses. Be optimistic. Always look the brighter part. An adventure is only an inconvenience rightly considered. An inconvenience is only an adventure wrongly considered. We have to chew and digest and understand conceptually what are the masses coming from every statement. And then by practicing in life, meditating, allow it to reverberate in our mind, heart and soul. Definitely their ideas will make us a better person. There is saying among prospectors, go out looking for one thing, and that's all you will ever find. I repeat, there is a saying among the prospectors, go out looking for one thing, that's all you will ever find. Means what you think that you become. Your mind is a reflection of your thoughts and ideas. The best thing in life are unexpected because there were no expectations. Whenever you fall, pick something. Good fortune, sighs away from gloom. Keep your spirits up. Good things will come to you and you will come to good things. Say you are well or all is well with you, and God shall hear your words and make them true. A loving person lives in a loving world. A hostile person lives in a hostile world. Everyone you meet is your mirror. Good mind, good fire. Beloved friends, I am passionate. I love sharing what I understand is very important, which can guide us, enlighten us, educate us, make us a better person to live our life with love, grace and gratitude. I hope this will give you some benefits and some ideas to think about it. Thank you very much indeed. Good luck.